It is time for
Package from China.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. And in today's video I'm here, not alone. Yes, no, I am here with my buddy.
New Gunlock, hey people, what's up?
So in today's video we are going to unbox and review this 2-player versus arcade controller. So I needed my buddy, so I called him. He doesn't know what I bought, so it's going to be a very surprise for you.
It says arcade controller, so that gets me excited, you know that.
Alright, so let's do a little unboxing and let's see how it's packed up. Alright, let's see. It's packed up with this styrofoam. This is not a DIY, so in other words, you don't need to assemble it like my previous model. It comes with the power supply. 3 amps, like 12 volt, what all of these Pandora boxes are. And this is the message, not from the future. Pandora box doesn't include games now. If you have any problems with games, there's a tutorial out there. So you need to add the games yourself. We have this deluxe Chinese toilet paper manual with some basic explanations about the Pandora box 6. Smells nice.
Looks cheap.
Oh, that smells nice. We have in the European power cable, spare buttons.
Press those buttons.
What is this? I've never seen this one. Pandora box quality. Thank you for the
Commitment.
Alright.
Which is sure that it's all in working order and
We have
stuff like that.
No, it is. We have a certificate. Nice.
And you think that's an actual legal worthy certificate?
Okay, we're going to need to pull it out. This is the first time I'm going to unbox it, so I really need to know how it looks. No cheating, like Retro Ralph. No Retro Ralph, no cheating. Alright.
You love your Retro Ralph, you know
Oh
that.
yeah, we just stick together.
Ooh.
Alright people.
Dual screen, very nice.
So this is what we're going to get. This device is fully made of plastic, so it weighs almost nothing. It's not like the previous model I've reviewed, the wooden version that you need to put together. We're going to do a little bit of an overview. I'm going to show you what you're going to get with the Pandora box and what can you get for your money. Alright, so a little overview. What are the controls of the system? We have the joystick here. It's very clickish. It's more like this basic joystick you're always getting with a Pandora box.
Nice buttons.
The button itself has a very nice touch to it. 6-button version. We're having start and the pause button. So I'm guessing the start is also the coin button. So if you look up player 2, the layout of the buttons is exactly the same. There is, by the way, no coin button here.
Now already we have discovered an epic fail. Just take a look. The screen over here, it isn't reflective or shiny at all. But on the player 2 side,
It is.
they use a completely different screen.
So if you take a close look at the marquee itself, it's a little bit of a bummer. I was hoping that, just like the previous model, that you haven't light up marquee. No, it's just basically in sticker. So that's a bummer. So if you take a close look at the side, here we can find the on and off switch, the input for power adapter, HDMI out, so you can basically add a new screen, a third one. If we go to the right, we're finding jack out, volume control, the little button for going to the menu, an USB stick, and we have 2 extra ports. Really don't know why, because
Maybe to use your own arcade stick.
nope, you can use it on your PlayStation 3, but how are you going to do that with a dual screen cabinet? So
I mean, maybe you can insert your own arcade stick.
No, you cannot. You cannot add new controllers to it.
Oh, okay.
Alright, so at the bottom we're finding a mono speaker and little information about the product itself. Model Pandora box. So that's it. Nothing else, not dual screen or something. No, just a Pandora box. And we're having 4 of these little rubber feet.
Precise and to the point.
Sex. Dream never ends.
So if you take a closer look at the Pandora box number 6, it's running on 720p or most of the games. Alright, but the screen itself, it's around 10 inches. It's not an EPS screen, so keep in mind it's not at high definition. But I think for the money we can't complain, because this is a pretty basic and budget dual arcade machine. So for the people new to the channel and not familiar with the product, I'm going to give you a little overview how does the system work. When you're pushing up and down, you can select the next game. Pressing right or left, you go to the next page. Pressing start button, you are asking for the search function. Here you have categorized games. Keep in mind the games you add will not be seen in the categorized system. A little bit of a bummer. Going to the right, you can choose your letter and go to the game you really want to play. Alright, a little explanation about this settings. The IO testing, here you can check if all the buttons are mapped correctly. There's only one little thing that they missed out, is that they don't add an in-coin button to this system. It's not a big issue, just tested it out. When pressing start button, it automatically gives you a 1 credit. With the custom button, here you can swap in the software the buttons if you prefer another way of putting your buttons. Keep in mind, it will not be configured for one game, it's going to be configured for all the games. When you're going in the setting menu, you can choose credit settings, for example free play, or you can ask it for a credit. Exit game mode, when pressing the pause button, you can say what he needs to do. Pause menu, auto exit, select game mode, a lot of different things, but no, we cannot change the aspect ratio. So you can only have this widescreen.
16:9.
Yep. Here in the game settings, you can adjust the game settings or the difficulty, for example. That is really cool. I don't know why this is. You can adjust for every game, but you cannot do this for example, the controls. A little bit weird, but nevertheless, that's what you're going to get. Bookkeeping, if you want to put this Pandora box in an arcade machine. Alright, we have different languages, but nothing very exciting to see here.
Get ready!
Chipping Morgan. Nice! Oh, yeah.
No.
Oh!
Nice, nice.
Love you, people. Oh, like that, okay.
This battle ended with the victory of Cervantes. You win.
The sound of this thing is pretty damn good for a single speaker.
Absolutely, yeah.
Battle 2.
Also, the joysticks work excellent.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
Love the sound of sorry.
It's okay.
You know, worst teammate ever.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Alright, so for the final conclusion about this mini arcade dual screen Pandora box. So the casing itself is made from plastic, so it gives it a really cheap feel to it.
Yeah, it does.
But let's talk about the buttons and the joystick.
Well, calling me impressed. We were playing SVC Chaos and these sticks, they work a lot better than on the one-up arcade Street Fighter cabinet.
Let's a little bit of comparison with the cheaper versions or the cheaper sticks you can buy. So it's not soundware quality, but it is...
they're good.
Okay, so for a cheap device, I'm very surprised.
Yeah, me too. It works great.
So yeah guys, this is what you're going to get. I hope you have a better idea. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell. And if you're into gaming, check out the Wicked Gaming channel and...
Neo Gunlock.
because he has very awesome videos.
Thank you. Love you people.
Alright, see you next time. Bye bye.